Today, I encountered a familiar situation, but one that still makes many people nervous if they've never faced it before. A young woman called me and said she had forgotten her screen lock password on her Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. After trying many times, she decided to remove the screen lock to unlock her phone. But then, when the device asked for her Google account login, she realized she couldn't remember her Google password either. Panicking, she contacted me for remote assistance. I asked her a few basic questions. Do you remember your Gmail address? Do you have a recovery phone number? Unfortunately, she only remembered part of the email address and hadn't added any recovery options. I reassured her. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, I asked her to try Google account recovery. Enter her email, tap forgot password, and check if she could receive a verification code. She tried for a while but couldn't get in, since Google required recovery info that had been set up earlier. So, I guided her to the second solution, removing the Google account lock FRP removal so she could sign in with a new account. Because we were working remotely, I explained everything step by step. I asked her to enable developer mode, check her drivers, and perform the required actions on her computer. I carefully described each step to avoid mistakes. At one point, her connection became unstable, and the video froze a bit, but she stayed patient and followed along carefully. I monitored everything on screen and guided her precisely based on what appeared. After a few minutes, she successfully removed the old Google account and logged in with a new one. I could hear the relief in her voice, as she couldn't help but laugh in happiness. Before finishing, I reminded her of a few important things. Write down your passwords somewhere safe, add a recovery email or phone number, and enable two-step verification to protect your account better. If you found this story helpful, please like and follow my channel. I'll keep sharing more real cases like this to help everyone feel more confident using their phones every day.